Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. Hi, it's a Monday morning again, 9 a.m. Singapore time or Hong Kong time. Well, welcome back to the OTOP 115, and that's for the week 17 October, year 2022. And we are about another more than a week to go before the next FOMC that is going to fall on the 2nd of November. And most likely we are going to expect another rate hike. Alright, in this OTOP 115, what we're going to cover will be something very special. And I promise you this is the first time and you have not seen that before. So stay tuned for the next 10 minutes and we will share with you one very unique market opinion. Alright, well, let's take a look on last week, what actually happened. Well, last week we have two major figures from US, which is the producer price index and the consumer price index, and both measure the inflation of the country. Well, both indexes actually release the actual data higher than the expectation and consensus, and the market traders are expecting a rising inflation that need to be arrested and contained. Hence, market players anticipate another rate hike to be coming in early November, and that actually push up the US dollar index last week. We're going to show you later, all right, and suppress down the stock market. So Dow Jones on the Friday closing, the Dow Jones benchmark lost 403 points, as you can see here, and S&P was down 86 points. Nasdaq was down 327 points. Looks like equity indexes are falling across the board, all right, and all because of the inflation rising, and market players are expecting another rate hike to come. All right, this is something not very optimistic to the market, but this week we're expecting the Dow Jones perhaps will have a big sideway, all right, a big sideway, looking for direction, and this is going to last for another 1 week until we move into the early November. All right, and of course, choppy market is going to be expected. So stay tuned. But this week, we're going to give you one very safe market choice that you may have an interest to find out more. All right, OTOP 115, 17 October year 2022. Right, before we move on to today's market opinion, let's take a look at the Lockheed Martin, which we covered last week in the OTOP 114. Alright, unfortunately, if we look at here, alright, on last Monday there was a gap up and market traded higher, alright, but on Friday it actually came down because the Lockheed Martin is a component stock of Dow Jones, and Dow has been coming across the board last week. Well, unfortunately. Well, if you look at this Lockheed Martin, what we're going to do, I would think is a hold, alright, is a hold if you are not in the hurry to cut loss, because I think the entry price, it should be around about 405, 406 or 407. Alright, okay, now it's 389. Option one is if you want to exit by cutting loss, well, go ahead, be safe. But option two is, personally, we think is a hold, and market could be doing a sideways here. Alright, and moving back up above $400 US per share is not too difficult because we are seeing a double bottom here at a price of 380, so it should be holding on well. And that's Lockheed Martin Corporation, which is one of the stock components in the Dow Jones. And this week, what are we going to talk about after a lot of consideration and the market research? Well, we are not looking at any stocks at least for this week due to the impending rate hike. Well, commodities like gold prices, silver, crude oil has been doing sideways in a choppy sentiment. So one of the more prone to winning probability could be one currency that you would like to take a look. All right, and I think that's very good, especially if you are Singaporean. Okay, because last Friday, Singapore government, which is the currency has been in charge by Monetary Authority of Singapore. The officials say that credit tightening, okay, will be continual, which means higher rates, and Sing dollar is going to strengthen. And because the Singapore has got a better GDP compared to the last quarter, so when Sing dollar is going to strengthen around the region, this week in the OTOP 115, we're going to share on you one very interesting thing on currency, okay, that you want to take a look. All right, it may not push you directly into investing into a dollar Thai baht, but you could be planning for a very wonderful holiday, going to Thailand, Bangkok, Chiang Mai, or maybe to the southern part of Thailand for holiday. Okay, if you take a look at this is very interesting and wonderful chart. All right, the Sing dollar, Singapore dollars against Thai baht has broken out above 26.6. So Singaporeans will enjoy this good news of going and planning for the holiday in Thailand. All right, and it is still moving up. On Friday, the closing price was 26.83. And how high will it go? That means if you are holding Sing dollars, I think it's a good time now to plan a holiday, go to Thailand. All right, because the rate is going up. But if you want to buy some, okay, Sing dollar Thai baht and hold it, okay, I think for this currency position, you're going to make some money. All right, and now it's cheap. If you want to go to Thailand, continue to hold on. And let's take a look at the month chart. If you take a look at this wonderful chart, all right, if you ask me personally, on the month chart itself, on the day scale, we switch to a time scale. The market has broken above the double top formation at 26.24. All right, over the last 1 month. This is a month chart, don't forget. And Friday there was a big perk up, and mostly if you look at this bar here, that was in 1998 March. Okay, the high was 28.19 when you look at here. All right, 28.19. Okay, and looks like very high chance this dollar Thai baht has a room at the top here to climb up very quickly, just within 1 or 2 weeks. All right, to 28, or even 2 to 3 weeks, but in 2 to 3 weeks time. So dollar Thai baht is good to go. All right, with very strong picking up momentum. All right, if you are holding a position in dollar Thai baht, well, it may not be big, but it will make you some money. All right, but on the other hand, if you are planning to go for the holiday in the ASEAN, don't forget about Thailand. And Sawadee Krap, welcome to Thailand, because on the devaluation of Thai baht, you're going to spend the same amount of money in Sing dollars converting to Thai baht, but you get more goods when you go to holiday and start your shopping trip. All right, so this is the OTOP 115. Very special, a very special topic this week. We're talking about currency position in the ASEAN. All right, and this is for the week 17 October year 2022, DW World Equity Time. Thank you for watching us. All right, 10 minutes is coming to an end, and we welcome you. Of course, come back next week and we shall continue to share. Bye bye.